Hey guys, this is Jay from Jay's Multi-Channel with another video. Today I'm working on a 2007 Jeep Cherokee, Grand Cherokee, and I'm doing a starter replacement. I just want to double check this year. Oh, this is actually a 04. So this is a 04 Grand Cherokee, and I'm working on a starter. First thing I did was rip the wheel off because it's kind of easier to get under it, and going to disable this battery negative cable, and then I'll begin. Come on. All right, so the work and all of the stuff is going to take place on this side. Oh, I do need a 15 millimeter. Okay guys, I got the battery disconnected, and now I'm looking at the starter. I'm underneath the driver's side. I have everything jacked in and safely set up. As you can see, it's two bolts that come in this way, 15 millimeters, and then you have a 13 millimeter on this cable that comes from the battery. This is the signal wire. Move that out your way and go ahead and remove this connector here. It's very simple job, shouldn't beat you up too bad. Once that connector is out of the way, you can go ahead and focus on these two here. And I've noticed there's not a lot of room, so I will be using a extension going that way with a wobble. Yep, pretty simple and straightforward. Just have a wobble. It'll make your life so much easier. Bench testing the old starter real quick. When you do that, you ground the jump pack to the body. Then you put the red here. And then with that, you just try to see, nothing's happening. This starter's dead. So it's always good to bench test it. Could reveal some other issues.